Hi, this is Offsides. Prediction markets price outcomes from public statistics, but they are blind to film. Tactical signals visible in match footage are not in the price. Offsides is a multimodal conversational assistant that sees what the odds miss. It runs YOLO for player detection and Qwen3-VL for tactical reasoning on a single AMD MI300X. We processed 280 Champions League matches and hit 3 out of 5 market upsets. Let me show you how it works. We ran 29 knockout matches through the full pipeline. Here is Dortmund versus PSG 2024 semifinal. Here are the tactical overlay clips. These are real highlight sequences with YOLO detection rendered on, bounding boxes, defensive line height, team compactness. This is what the vision model actually sees. All these annotated frames, side-by-side metric, are fed as context into the VLM prompt. Here is the key output, market odds versus the VLM estimate. The reasoning explains why. The model identified Dortmund's compact defensive shape and PSG's high line vulnerability on transition. It references frames as evidence. In the live query tab, we can also ask follow-up questions in plain English to the VLM. Here we are providing the VLM with annotated frames and the stats that we have in our database along with the questions we provided as context to the VLM. And it explains the tactical reasoning and points to specific frame as visual evidence. This is genuinely multimodal, looking at the video frames and interpreting tactical patterns, not just reading text. A quick note on why AMD and Qwen3-VL. The MI300X has 192 gigabytes of unified high bandwidth memory. That means Qwen3-VL with 32 billion parameters loads on a single device with no model sharding, no quantization, no multi-GPU coordination. One Docker run command with GPU pass-through gives you a production-ready API serving a 32 billion parameter multimodal model. We chose Qwen3-VL specifically because it handles multi-image reasoning well. It can take 8 to 12 annotated frames in a single context window, cross-reference them against stats, and produce structured tactical analysis. It reasons about spatial patterns across multiple images. Radiant Open Compute gave us native PyTorch compatibility. Our entire pipeline YOLO detection LLM serving Qwen3-VL and friends ran with zero code changes from CUDA. We provisioned the MI300X droplet via AMD Developer Cloud and ran the full project on $100 of credit. To be clear about scope, this is a concept validation, not a production prediction tool. 5 backtested matches is not statistically significant, but the thesis holds. Multimodal AI can extract tactical signals that statistics miss, and those signals have predictive value that markets underway. And this methodology is not limited to soccer. The same two-stage approach, detection plus multimodal reasoning, works wherever people make decisions from spreadsheets while ignoring what is plainly visible. Example includes satellite imagery for commodity markets, real estate valuation from street level photography. Anywhere the number tells one story but the visual tells another, this architecture applies. Thank you.